How's it going, you guys? It's Roblox Scripts here, and I'm back with another video. Now in today's video I have a script for the game The Hood. Now I was already making a video on this, however Mango Hub is not currently out, so I did find another script for an Autofarm that I'm going to be showcasing today. I'm waiting for everything to inject, and afterwards we will be ready. Don't know why it's taking so long. You might be able to just execute it, I believe. There we go. So it'll be this, that's when I pop up, and it's going to be called Cash Cat V2. Okay, you can do cash farm, and just like that you're going to start auto farming. So right now I'm at 213,483. I'm going to see how much I can actually get to and how long it takes to. So 213k, we're going to give it some time. I also want to take a screenshot of the GUI just for the purposes of the thumbnail. And we'll also take a video, not a video, a picture of a screenshot of my character like that. Okay. Awesome, so that works. And I'm going to leave it, like I said, running for some time, probably speed it up so you guys don't get so bored. And I'll see you right now. So I'm 7k in right now, so very good GUI, way better than the other ones that I've used. Like I said, it's going to be in the description with the Pastebin, but this video is for educational purposes only, so I'm not responsible for any bans, as this can get you banned and it's most likely illegal to use that in game. Not illegal, but you know, against the rules of the game. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.